All right, guys, we're gonna do the shock on that 2009 BMW 528i X-Drive. It's all-wheel drive, so it's kind of challenging for us to find that complete shock assembly. So as you see, the shock mount is broke. So it's broken, so there is no way for us to get that shock by itself. So we got the shock is coming and the shock mount separately. I was preferred to get the entire assembly fully loaded, but I was not able to find it anywhere. However, I got this shock built-in brand with the WordPack brand on that one from the WordPack. It's coming, so I had to compress it with the special tool. So just compress the spring, take it off. There is one nut on the top, it goes like that. Take the 21 millimeter. I use the impact. Take it off. Be very careful. Make sure it's fully compressed, because if it's under pressure, it's gonna be very dangerous. So the part is coming. I'm gonna put it back together. So the only other challenge is just this part. It's just not a normal shocks. So you need to be careful. Hammer it gently and take it off. Make sure you just secure those wires, ABS wires, sensor connector, the line, brake line, and everything. Make sure you don't just force that CV axle, because it's gonna pops out from the other side, from the end. Then it's gonna be very hard to put it back together. So basically that's it. And when you put back everything together, just make sure you tight back that CV axle knot with the right amount of the torque. So basically, again, it's very challenging. If you want to find that shock or a strut, you can't find anywhere. I didn't check online because I didn't have time. The customer is waiting on my waiting area, and we need to finish it tonight. However, I would maybe check online if I had time to see if I can get it somewhere. We're gonna do that just this side, because like I said, the shock mount is broken. It was rubbing against the frame when he was turning the steering wheel to the left and right. So we had no choice but to replace the shock and shock mount. And again, I was not able to find the complete assembly. However, I would have do that if I was able to do. Again, so we put the stand under the lower control arm, both lower control arm. We didn't take them off because it's too much work. We just did it that way. So this stand is gonna hold it. And as soon as we have the part, we're gonna put some lubricant around it. Make sure you put it back together tight and just mount it back up there. And then you should be fine and good to go. Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe our channel. I try my best to put all the information as much as I can, so I can save you as much money as possible. Give us a thumbs up if you like this kind of video, and see you next time.